acids and bases. In this chapter, in this lesson, we discuss about what is acid, what are the characters of acids, how many types of acids, how it is obtained from natural sources, what are the characters of acids, what is an acid, classifications of acids. Acid. The substance completely or partially dissociated in aqueous solution, it produces H plus ions, is called acids. The substance completely or partially dissociated, it produces hydroxyl ions, is called base. Acid and base. Grapes and these grapes taste or sour taste, like sour taste, it present acid compounds like H plus ions it produce, so it is act as acids. Tomato also sour taste, it contains H plus ions, those H plus ions given tomatoes also sour taste. Tamarind. Tamarind also have sour taste. It is also present H plus ion. So these all compounds like lemon have sour taste. These all are present H plus ions. These H plus ions present substances are called acidic nature. How you identify the items in the pictures? Have you tasted them? Sour taste. So tamarind, tomato, grapes, lemon, these all are have sour taste. The sour tasted substance act as acidic nature. What is the reason for sourness? Acid. This acidic nature of the substance have sour taste. Acids sour in taste. It turns blue litmus turns to red litmus. Electrolytic conductivity. These all are conductors. Reactive with active metals liberate hydrogen gas. These acids are sour to taste. They are turns to blue litmus into red litmus. These present ions like H plus ions, those ions present in aqueous solution, these compounds act as electrolytic conductors. Reactive with active metals, it liberates hydrogen gas. Like HCl react with metals like potassium, magnesium, zinc, sodium, then it liberates hydrogen gas. HCl react with magnesium, then form magnesium chloride plus hydrogen gas. 2HCl plus Mg gives MgCl2 plus H2. These acids react with metals, it liberated hydrogen gas. Reacting with carbonates and bicarbonate active metals liberate carbon dioxide gas. They liberate carbon dioxide gas and react with carbonates and bicarbonates. Na2CO3 plus 2HCl gives 2NaCl plus H2O plus CO2. Na2CO3 plus 2HCl gives 2NaCl plus H2O plus CO2. Like base also turns red litmus to blue litmus. They are in bitter to taste. These also act as electrolytic conductors. Base react with acid to form salt and water. This reaction is called neutralization reaction. A base also present ions. These ions act as electrolytic conductivity. Acids are good conductors of electricity in aqueous solution. These acids react with base to form salt. This reaction is called neutralization reaction. Like HCl plus NaOH react together, then form NaCl plus H2O. Depending on their sources, classifications of acids are depending on their sources. First one, organic acids. Organic acids. Acids which are obtained usually from plants are organic acids. Which substances are available from plants of acids are called organic acids. They contain carbon compounds like oxalic acid, COOH taken twice. COOH taken twice. Acetic acid, CH3COOH. These acids are available from plants. Acetic acid, oxalic acid. These acids are organic acids. These acids are obtained usually from plants. They are weak acids. Acetic acid, oxalic acids are weak acids and they do not ionize completely. These are ionizing only partially. Inorganic acids, mineral acids. Acids which are obtained usually from minerals. Acids which are obtained usually from minerals are called inorganic acids. For example, HCl, hydrochloric acid, H2SO4, sulfuric acid, HNO3, nitric acid, H3PO4, phosphoric acid. They are strong acids. They ionize completely in solution. Acids which are obtained usually from minerals are called inorganic acids. First one is organic acids, inorganic acids, which are available from plants. Organic acids, acetic acid, oxalic acids. Acids which are obtained usually from minerals, HCl, H2SO4, HNO3, H3PO4. They are strong acids that ionize completely in solution. Strong acid vigorously ionize in solution, they producing a high concentration of hydronium ions, H3O plus ions. Example, HCl, hydrochloric acid, HCl, hydrochloric acid, strong acid. It is completely ionization. It produces more number of H plus ions. So these are strong acids. H2SO4, sulfuric acid. These acids completely ionization in aqueous solution. It produces more number of H plus ions. So it is strong acid. HNO3, nitric acid. This is completely ionization in aqueous solution. It produces more number of H plus ions. So these all are strong acids like HCl, H2SO4, HNO3, H3PO4. These all are strong acids. Weak acids. Weak acids ionize only partially in aqueous solution, and thus they contain ions as well as molecules. These weak acids partially ionization, and thus they contain ions as well as molecules. Oxalic acid, COOH taken twice. Acetic acid, CH3COOH. These partially ionization and produce less number of H plus ions in aqueous solution. So these ions produce less number of substances are called weak acids. It is ionization contains H plus ions as well as CH3COOH molecules. Oxyacids, which contains oxygen along with hydrogen and some other elements. These acids are called strong acid, weak acid, oxyacids, which contains oxygen along with hydrogen and some other element. Acids are called oxyacids. H2SO4, sulfuric acid, HNO3, nitric acid, H3PO4, phosphoric acid, CH3COOH, acetic acids. CH3COOH, acetic acid, which contains oxygen with hydrogen and some other elements present in acids are called oxyacid. Sulfuric acid, nitric acid, phosphoric acid, acetic acid. Hydracid, which contains hydrogen and non-metallic elements but not oxygen. Oxyacids, hydrocide, which contains hydrogen and non-metallic elements but not oxygen. Like example, HCl, hydrochloric acid. It contains hydrogen with non-metallic element chlorine. HBr, HBr, hydrobromic acid. HI, depending on their basicity. Monobasic acids. Monobasic acids. Acids which on ionization in water produce one hydrogen ion per molecule are called monobasic acids. Acids which on ionization in water produce one hydronium ion per molecule are called monobasic acids. Which substance dissolve in aqueous solution, it present only one H plus ions per a molecule of the substance are called monobasic acids. Acids which are ionization in water, it produces only one H plus ions per a molecule are called monobasic acids. Monobasic acids. Like example, HCl, HBr, HNO. The HCl ionization gives H plus Cl minus. It gives only one H plus ions in aqueous solution. So these acids are called monobasic acids. HBr also, H plus Br minus, HNO3, ionization of H plus NO3 minus. These all are gives only one H plus ions by ionization. So these acids are called monobasic acids. Dibasic acids. Acids which on ionization in water it produces two hydronium ions per molecule are called dibasic acids. Acids which on ionization in water and produce two hydronium ions per molecule are called dibasics. H2, SO4, sulfuric acid, H2, SO3, sulfurous acid, H2, C2O4, H2, C2O4, H2CO3, H2CO3. These all are dibasic acids. H2SO4, ionization of 2H plus SO4 minus 2. It produces 2H plus ions in aqueous solution. These acids are called dibasic acids. Acids which are ionization in water, it produces two hydronium ions per a molecule. These acids are called dibasic acids. Like example, H2SO4, H2SO4, SO3, H2C2O4, H2CO3. These all are dibasic acids. Monobasic acid, dibasic acids. Tribasic acids. Acids which are ionized in water, it produces 3 hydronium ions per molecule and acids. The substance ionization in aqueous solution, it produces 3 number of hydronium ions per a molecule are called tribasic acids. Monobasic acid, dibasic acid, tribasic acid. For example, H3PO4, phosphoric acid, H3PO3, phosphorus acid, H3PO4. It is completely ionization. It produces 3 number of H plus ions plus PO4 minus 3. H3PO3 completely ionization, 3 H plus ions plus PO3 minus 3. Acids which are ionization in water, it produces 3 number of hydrogens per ion molecule are called tribasic acids. Summary. You have learned what is acid, the substance dissociated, it produces H plus ions are called acid. What is base? The substance dissociated in aqueous solution, it produces OH minus ions is called base. Classifications of acids. Classifications of acids: monobasic, dibasic, tribasic acids, organic acids, inorganic acids. Acid strength. Strength is nothing but the number of H plus ions dissociated or liberated produced in aqueous solution is called strength. Different examples of acids. Example for monobasic acid. The substance dissociated in aqueous solution, it produces 1 hydronium ion per a molecule is called monobasic acid. A. Sodium hydroxide, B. H2O, NaCl, HCl, which is completely ionization. It produces 1 H plus ion of the substance is called monobasic acid. Sodium hydroxide, it does not produce H plus ions. H2O, it produces H plus ions but partially dissociation. NaCl, it is salt, it produces Na plus Cl minus. HCl completely ionization, it produces 1 H plus ions in aqueous solution is called monobasic acid. So answer is D. Monobasic acid D. NaOH base, NaCl salt, H2O equilibrium of dissociation. Example for acid: NaOH, B H2O, C NaCl, H2SO4. NaOH base, H2O water, NaCl salt, H2SO4, it produces H plus ions. So this is acid, dibasic acid. It produces 2 H plus ions in aqueous solution per a molecule. This acid is called dibasic acid. D is right answer. D. Example for weak acid, which is partially dissociated, it produces less number of H plus ions in aqueous solution is called weak acids. A. Sodium hydroxide. B. H2O. C. CH3COOH. D. HCl. CH3COH, acetic acid. It produces less number of H plus ions in aqueous solution is called weak acid. CH3CO. Frequently asked questions. Write the properties of acids. Explain mono, di, tribasic acids with examples. Explain strong acid and strong base. Explain strong base and weak acid. Give the example for mineral acids. Give example for organic acids. Thank you once again.